Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about our infectious disease control face shields and specifically model IDC-S. This is the product, IDC for infectious disease control shield and S for it's a snap system product that snaps on and off like this to make it easy for changing the product and for cleaning. So this is a headband model. It has a crown strap on the top, a nape strap on the back. Sizes go all the way down to student sizes and all the way up to extra large. On the top, you adjust this to the point that this headband comes just to the top of your ears to be the most stable position. We made this so that the shield does not flip up and down because we have an assured compliance. If the person has the product on, it's protecting their face. There's no opportunity for them to raise the shield and then get a splash. This shield meets the requirements of the ANSI, that's American National Standards Institute, D3 test. This D3 test is inside the Z87.1 standard. And what that does is it assures that you have enough protection vertically, horizontally, and on the sides against splash and droplets. So this meets the ANSI Z87.1 D3 test. It has our snap system for easy removal and easy replacement. And it has a tremendous feature of that it is washable and cleanable. So we have specific cleaning and sanitizing instructions in another video for you to watch that shows you how to use it. We can assume that we would have at least 10 washings of this product, which would make it so that the cost is about 90% less than the price of a disposable shield that you would just use once and dispose of. The product is shipped flat. As you can see here, the face shield is flat. It has a plastic film that's to be removed. And the headband itself is shipped flat. But as you'll see as I assemble it, very easy and quick to do. Slip this on the back for the nape strap and select your hole position. Put this over the top and select your position for your crown strap. Take the face shield, place it over the snap system attachment, snap it into place, bring this around, product is ready to use.